Leena Baijal, please unmute yourself.
Thank you so much, Sadar Pranam Guruji. When I had asked last time about my son's marriage, you said you try after 25th of September. But
That's
I
right.
just want to know the time when it will happen, because so many times it has been predicted, but it is not happening. I don't know the reason. If you can tell the reason also.
I have given you a time, no? That try
20, you
after
said you 25th
25th of
September
September.
you try. After
Correct.
25th September you try.
Anshul is his name, right?
G. Yes, sir.
This is his chart, correct? This is what you
Chart
asked
to I
last
do.
time. Marriage. It's a horary chart. Don't worry about it.
Hanji,
This is what you asked last week.
Hanji.
And he is your how many
Son.
pregnancy and how many
He is
son?
my fourth pregnancy.
Fourth pregnancy. Yeah, I remember this chart.
Hanji.
11th house. We discussed it. He is 35 years old, correct?
Yeah.
I still remember that. 35 years. Yeah. We have predicted that he will have a very happy married person, will be a perfect mindset for him. I even read out the whole rules of how this will happen. Okay. Rahu, Saturn, Rahu. Moon itself is in Saturn star, Anuradha Nakshatra. What is the current running Bukthi? Mercury is in Venus star. We also said after 2025 only marriage is likely to take place.
No.
Yeah, 30th September 2025. After that only marriage will take place. But you can start trying for marriage from...
No, you said I can try from 25th September.
25th of September 2023 onwards, you can start trying. But in all likelihood, marriage will take place only in Saturn Dasa Ketu Bukthi. Okay, which will happen from 30th of September 2025.
So that means 2 years more. So anyway, it can happen early.
There is a possibility that it could potentially happen between 16th of January 2024 to 5th of March 2024. There is one slight possibility is there. Try it in any way, start trying.
But he will be 37, 38 at that age.
What to do, ma? It is his karma. He has inherited and born with it. He has agreed with the Almighty Force that I will get delayed marriage. God has agreed, therefore he has blessed him with a delayed marriage, but he will have a successful marriage. That also he has agreed, that I will have late marriage, but I will have a very successful marriage. So God has agreed and put an agreement with him. So what you're seeing is that agreement.
Okay.
Don't get stressed about it. Okay. All the very best. Keep blessing him. Sukhino bhavantu. Be blessed. Be blessed. Be blessed.
But after 30th September 25, when it will happen?
Most likely. But in any way, after 15th of September itself, you can start putting effort. Don't have to wait till 25th of September. We start from 15th of September onwards.
Effort to we are putting anyways on daily basis.
After that, he was probably not interested in marriage at this point of time. After 15th of September, he will be more open to getting married. But it will take time. Saturn is a delay maker, but not a denier. That's the beauty of Saturn. Saturn will always delay, but it will never deny. It will certainly get him married. Good luck.
Is there any angle of black magic also in this?
Nothing. You don't have to worry about it. If you're really worried about it, just light a lamp, oil lamp, any oil lamp in the southeast of your house and keep it 24/7. Keep it on. Doesn't matter if it switches off. You can, put the wick and put oil and burn it again once more. Light it again once more. That's all. That is the remedy for black magic. Nothing else is the remedy.
Which oil?
The same circle of protection that I taught Minalji, same thing you can do.
Okay, can you repeat please once?
May the Almighty Force protect us, guide us, lead us, support us day and night at all times, in all places and in all our duties. That's all. Good luck to you. Be blessed.